Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a wall mount that is jammed. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a TV mount and the TV is stuck on it because the wall mount is jammed. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you'll find is that most of the reason why your TV is stuck on the wall mount is because the pull cords are jammed. So the pull cords are located right underneath the TV. And what usually happens is that if you pull the cord down, it'll unlock your TV so that you can remove your TV from the TV mount. Now, because the pull cords are jammed, some people suggest using a tape measure to actually go ahead and place it underneath your TV. And you could actually go ahead and use the prong of your tape measure to pull the cord down so that it unlocks the TV. In my case, that didn't work. I actually had to use a metal hanger. So this is the metal hanger. And with that metal hanger, I eventually actually just placed it behind the TV and I pushed the prong that locks the TV outwards so that it would actually go ahead and unlock my TV. So that is what I used to actually go ahead and fix a TV wall mount that is jammed. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.